Latest update po, the Supreme Court has unanimously decided to declare the articles of impeachment filed against Vice President Sara Duterte as unconstitutional, noting that it is barred by the one-year rule under the Constitution and it violates the rights to due process as enshrined under the Bill of Rights. It was also noted by the ponente of the decision that one of the fundamental law is that the end does not justify the means, meaning it is not morally acceptable to use an ethical or harmful method to achieve a desired outcome, and that there is a right way to the right things and at the right time. So, therefore, the Senate does not acquire jurisdiction accordingly to the decision, and it cannot proceed with its impeachment proceedings. As far as I understand, the whole content or the meat and substance of the decision is that there were three actually first articles of impeachment filed by private individual, both I think part of it is the Congress also, the three sets ahead of the last, which is one which emanate from the Congress of the Philippines, and accordingly under the Constitution anybody private citizen can file as long as it is properly endorsed by the Congress. So the three first article of impeachment was accordingly terminated or put into the archives by the Supreme Court, considering the fact that the Congress, although they have substantially followed the procedure, which is the filing of the articles of incorporation within 10 days time and the inclusion of it in their first reading within 3 days time, has been properly complied, but accordingly they have failed to act within the regulatory period, no? And it was terminated and somewhat dismissed in February 5, I think. So accordingly, the Congress of the Philippines failed to act the three prior articles of impeachment filed, considering the fact that the Congress declared a recess. So that is the basis of the Supreme Court to decide those three prior articles of impeachment to be terminated or dismissed or put into the archives. Disclaimer lang po, ito po yun sa atin is my 2 cents worth or my point of view only, no? We're not precluded anybody to comment or state the actual facts. This is only based on my understanding as from the layman's point of view. So that's all, folks. Good evening and good night, and may God bless us all. Godspeed the Philippines.